Today, let's make South Indian special Medu Vada with coconut chutney. First, let's prepare the fresh coconut chutney. Cut the fresh coconut into small pieces and add it to a mixer jar. Grind everything together. Add water according to the consistency you prefer. If you like a thick chutney, add less water. If you prefer it thinner, add a little more. Now let's prepare the tempering. Heat the oil in a pan, add a little chana dal, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves and dried red chilies. Once they splutter and become aromatic, pour the tempering over the chutney. Our delicious coconut chutney is ready. Now let's prepare the mendu vada. I had already washed the urad dal well and soaked it for 2 hours. Drain the water and grind by adding only a little water. Do not add too much water or the batter will become thin and it will be difficult to shape the vadas. Now beat the batter well for about 2 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Then add some finely chopped onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves, cumin seeds and salt according to taste. Mix everything well. To check if the batter is ready, drop a small amount into a bowl of water. If it floats immediately, the batter is perfect. Dip your hands in water before taking the batter. This prevents the batter from sticking to your hands. Wet your hand every time before shaping another vada. Now let's make the vadas. Heat the oil well and fry the vadas on a medium flame until they turn golden brown and crispy. Shape each vada carefully with a hole in the center and fry until perfectly cooked. If making vadas by hand feel difficult, you can also use a wooden ladle or a steel tea strainer to shape them easily. Our hot crispy mendu vadas are now ready. They are wonderfully crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. Serve them hot with the fresh coconut chutney. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more delicious South Indian recipes, stay connected with us. The recipe links for sambar powder and karam podi are in the description. Do check them out. If you try this recipe, do share your feedback in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.